Hello everybody, I'm in Norway already. If you didn't see my last video, I'm in a cruise. We went away from England 2 days ago and we arrived today. But my videos cannot stop, so we decided to do this video here in Norway with a lot of cold and a lot of snow. In this video we will talk about an application that I love that is called SNAPSEED. And actually I just posted a course, a complete course about this application a few days ago if you are interested. I will talk about the importance of learning editing with your mobile device. Because it could be a tablet, it could be a cell phone. And also I will edit a picture with you using SNAPSEED so you can see how cool is this application. So now, intro from Norway.
Your papa said to steer clear, 'cause I lead to the grave. You better run away.
Before I show you the application, I want to explain you why it's important to learn how to edit pictures with your cell phone. Nowadays, the cell phones are coming with this crazy technology that allows you to edit photos like a professional and just with your phone. Cell phones nowadays are coming not with one camera, they're coming with few cameras and quality cameras. That makes us use the phone to take a lot of pictures. And actually, that takes us to social media. How many pictures are you publishing in social media? And if you want to stand out from others, a well-edited picture is the answer. Smartphones are coming with crazy technologies that are making them actually like mini computers. And let me tell you that a lot of pictures that I publish online and I even sell online are edited with my phone. So now it's time to show you the app. So let's go. Okay guys, I have SNAPSEED open. I'm gonna show you how this application works. How cool is this application? Just for you to know, this is not a tutorial on how to use the application, but it's basically a video to show you how cool is this application. And I hope you're gonna like it. It's a free application, let me tell you. It's not this kind of applications that just with time, when you fall in love with the application, boom, you have to pay something. No. This is completely free, it's from Google. You can install it if you have an iPad, an iPhone, or if you have an Android phone, you can install it anywhere. It's really cool. This application allows you to edit raw photos. In this case, we have a raw photo of Venice that is very nice, but come on, it's not difficult to take good photos of Venice. Venice is really nice. Okay, let's click check here because we're not gonna do any editings there. The first thing that comes up is here, filters, presets. Look at this, all of these presets. If we click here, for example, smooth, pop, accentuate, you can have a lot of presets, even black and white. If you come here, you have even presets like an old style, like here, for example, with a lot of noise, like this film that they were using in the cameras back in the day. We're not gonna use this because I wanna show you the tools of SNAPSEED, so I'm gonna press X here. We didn't do anything here. We're gonna go to the little pencil here. There you go. Look at these tools. A lot of tools. This application is amazing. You have on the top raw because you can edit raw photos, as I told you. Normally, the first thing that I do is cropping and then the curves, but I don't want to crop this picture because the picture is nice. Look at this. I don't want to cut this picture. So we're going to go to the curves, and it's so easy. You just put the points with your finger and you can do a curve. This is exactly how professional softwares are working for editing pictures. Normally, you do the S curve. I'm going to give like this a little matte here and a little punch in the blacks, and for me that curve is very nice. Also, don't forget, you can actually come here to channel and you have here the curves for the red, for the green, you have for the blue, for the whatever you want, luminance, and in style you have again filters and curves that are already done. Look at this, so many that are already done, but I want the curve that I already did, so we're gonna leave it like that. Check. And then we're gonna come here and we can start tuning the image. Let's see, we have brightness, and if you move your finger up and down, you have all of these options. Look at this, contrast a little bit. We can add a little bit of saturation. There's a lot of colors in this picture. We can add ambience that gives life to the picture. Look at the color of the sky. Then we can go to shadows, for example. We can go to highlights, and normally I take out the highlights because of the sky. The sky gets better, more details when you take out the highlights. In warmth, I don't want to use it because the picture is okay, but if you add, it's like a sunset, you go to the other side, it's like it's getting dark. but no, we're gonna leave it there. This is pretty cool. It's a lot of tools that you have here to use: perspective, expand. I have a course that I mentioned in the beginning, complete course, is more than 2 hours, where I explain every single tool in this application. Let's keep going. You have masks, selective, brush. These are masks, and this is so cool. Healing. I'm gonna show you what it does. I'm gonna click healing. As you can see, with 2 fingers, I'm gonna make the picture big. You can see there is a dark spot here. Maybe the sensor was dirty. I'm gonna just click it like this. Clamp. Look, it's done. It's clean now. And I think I had another one here. I don't find it. Oh my gosh. It's here. It's here. Okay, I'm gonna do like this. Done. Look at this. You don't even notice that Snapseed did something there. Nothing. It's perfect. Picture is perfect. Now go back to picture. Now let's click check. Now we go to the pencil, and I'm gonna show you here HDR escape. Actually, HDR escape, glamour, tonal contrast, all of this line and the line below, those are also presets or filters, including black and white. They're preset filters that you can apply to the picture, and then even if you apply it, you can actually play with the strength of the filter. For example, HDR. In HDR, well, this is a strong, it's by default now marked. You can go to fine. It's adding this fine noise in the picture. That is pretty cool. People, let's see natural. I actually like people, but it's too strong. So what you can do, always when you add a filter, the finger up and down, and you can change things. You see brightness, saturation. We can change the filter strength. I'm gonna take out the strength, not too much. Like this is okay. Let's click check. And the same is gonna happen if you come and you go to different tools here. Like for example, in grunge, you have this kind of filters. Look at this, it's still really cool. If you come to texture, you can change the texture of the grunge picture. Look at this, it's so cool. I like it a lot, it's very nice. Check, done. And then you have black and white, you have noir, you have many more options here that I will suggest you to come, to enjoy, to start to experiment. If you like it, if you enjoy it, you know you have the course. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you some other picture because I want to show you something that I really like. It's so cool. Okay, I have this portrait that I want to show you. I'm going to go to the pencil, and we have here portrait, head pose. We have few options that we can use specifically for portraits. So we're going to go to portrait, okay? Now you have, again, filters. These filters are basically gonna add like a light in their face. It's like a spotlight in her face, and this is normally what you use with filters, but in this case I'm not gonna use any of them. What I want to show you is adjust. Here you have also skin tone. It's really cool. It can help the skin tone, very nice. But we're gonna go to adjust here, and we're gonna move the finger up and down. And you can actually add here the face spotlight. If I exaggerate, look at this. We're gonna go just a little bit here. Now, skin smoothing. You want to smooth the skin, and don't tell me that you don't do it. If you don't do it, you have to start doing it in your portraits. Every picture that you see in the magazine, come on, you know that they are using this skin smoothing to every picture. Now, let's go here to eye clarity. If we open the picture, like zoom in, you're gonna see, if I exaggerate in the eye clarity, she's gonna look like a cat. Look at this. But we can add just a little bit. Imagine how intelligent is the artificial intelligence of Snapseed. It's moving just the eyes. Look, when you go to exaggerate here in the eye clarity, it's just the eyes. It's understanding where the eyes are located, and this is so cool. Just a little bit. Let's press check, and I'm gonna show you the next one. Oh my gosh, this is really cool. Head pose. I'm gonna make the face bigger so you can see exactly what I'm telling you. If I move my finger from side to side, I'm actually moving her face. Look at this. She's looking somewhere else now. If you take a picture and the person in the picture, in the portrait, is like looking a little bit to the right, no problem. I just move the face like this and it's fixed. Also up and down. Look at this, up and down. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. And now let's go to adjust here, and you have pupil size, smile, focal length. I'm gonna make the picture bigger and look at the pupil size. If I exaggerate, it's huge. It looks like not normal. But if you add a little bit, even though here it doesn't look good, when you make the picture on normal size, you see that actually it helped a lot to the portrait. You have to try this. If we go to smile, this is so nice. Look at this. I'm gonna make her smile. She's kind of sad. Okay, you make her smile, and then you can make her even sadder. It's so cool. I'm gonna add a little bit of smile here, And then you have also focal length. In case you took a picture with the wrong lens, you can fix it. In this case, the picture is with the proper lens, so if I try to fix it, I'm actually gonna do something wrong. As you can see, it's wider or skinnier, but that's not correct. But if you have a picture, you wanna fix it, it was a wrong lens, you can make it a little skinnier, and it's cool. Like you can see, the portrait is perfect. So this is another thing I wanted to show you. It's so cool, and there's so many things that you can do. Look, I just talked about the 20% of the tools. So I'll suggest you to go to the course, not because I did it, because I did it with love. So go to the course. I have the link in the description. Just click there and you're gonna get a crazy discount. You can get the course for almost nothing and enjoy it. You are not gonna tell me that you didn't like the application. I love this application. Come on. Guys, don't forget that I just published a masterclass of Snapseed. Everything you need to know. I'm gonna leave you the link in the description below with a crazy discount. And now subscribe, and until next week.